thanks to all Patreons and channel members for supporting me. I'll be releasing project files to my Patreons and exclusive tutorials for channel members. For details, please check link in description. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is MrWhiz. Welcome back to my channel. So let's continue further with the door. So in previous video we have something like this. So when you enter the box collision and press E key, the door opens. Okay. So how would you let the player know that you have to press the key to open the door? So the best way is to add a widget. So let's create a widget. Go to your doors folder, create a new user interface. UI underscore door widget. Add a canvas. I'm just showing the logic here. You can do it in the way you want. Add a text. Set it to center. We'll give an offset here. That's good. Let's set the text here. We have to add this widget. Now go to your doors base, and now we have two events, right? So on the begin overlap, a widget, and select the door widget. And we'll promote this to a variable because we want this variable to remove it. Then so we put this back here. When we play this, we have E to open the door, and but when we go out of it, it is not disappearing. For that only we have promoted it to a variable so that on the end overlap we can remove it. Reference and remove from app. Now when we play this, we have it, and when we move away, the widget disappears. But still, when we open the door, immediately after opening the door, it should go off. So for that, this condition, whether the door is opened or not, we can move it here so that we don't create the widget if the door is already open. To reduce the branch, you can do something like this, that be even better. Do one AND here and connect this condition here, and we can remove this branch. So if the overlapping actor is the player character and the door is not opened, these things will execute. Okay, so the event. Yeah. Okay, I didn't connect this connection. So now we are not getting the widget. But again, as I mentioned, soon after the door opens, we should remove this widget. So for that, go to your door base, and soon after your interact is called, we can remove the widget from path. Now let's check it out. Yeah, so this looks even better. Fine. So in next video, we will see how to close the door. So after the player opens the door and enters the building, yeah, if he wants to close the door, we need to keep a mechanism to do that also. So we will see that in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please do subscribe to my channel. Please leave your comments below the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.